Welcome to our video, when communities come together after disaster strikes. In the face of calamity, communities often find strength in unity, demonstrating the remarkable resilience that can emerge during adversity. We'll explore the immediate responses following a disaster, recognizing the vital role of volunteers, organizations, and authorities in the recovery process. We'll also discuss the importance of emotional support, communication, and the lessons learned to enhance preparedness for future challenges. Join us as we highlight the power of solidarity and the enduring spirit of communities that stand together in the aftermath of disaster. 1. The initial shock and immediate response. When disaster strikes, the initial shock can be overwhelming. The immediate aftermath is often characterized by chaos and confusion as people come to terms with the situation. Yet, this is also when the initial response begins to take shape. Neighbors check on each other, offering help and support. Local leaders and volunteers start organizing relief efforts, ensuring that the most urgent needs are addressed. This immediate response is crucial in stabilizing the situation and providing a foundation for further recovery efforts. 2. Volunteers. The unsung heroes. Volunteers play a pivotal role in disaster recovery. Often, they are the first on the scene, providing essential services such as food distribution, medical aid, and shelter. These individuals, driven by compassion and a sense of duty, work tirelessly to help those in need. Their contributions are invaluable, and their efforts often go unnoticed. However, without them, the recovery process would be significantly delayed. 3. Community organizations and their role. Local community organizations are often at the forefront of disaster recovery efforts. These groups, which may include religious institutions, nonprofits, and neighborhood associations, have the infrastructure and networks needed to mobilize resources quickly. They coordinate with local authorities, ensuring that aid is distributed efficiently and effectively. Their deep understanding of the community's needs allows them to tailor their response to the unique challenges each disaster presents. 4. The importance of communication. Effective communication is vital in any disaster recovery effort. It ensures that accurate information is disseminated, preventing panic and misinformation. Social media platforms, local radio stations, and community bulletin boards become essential tools for spreading updates and instructions. Clear communication helps coordinate efforts, ensuring that resources are directed where they are most needed. 5. Rebuilding and recovery. Once the immediate needs are addressed, the focus shifts to long-term recovery and rebuilding. This phase requires careful planning and collaboration between various stakeholders, including government agencies, nonprofits, and the affected community. Rebuilding efforts often involve repairing infrastructure, restoring services, and providing support for those who have lost their homes and livelihoods. It is a complex process that can take years, but with determination and cooperation, communities can rebuild stronger and more resilient than before. 6. Emotional support and mental health. The emotional toll of a disaster can be significant, and addressing mental health needs is an essential part of the recovery process. Community support groups, counseling services, and mental health professionals play a crucial role in helping individuals cope with trauma and stress. Providing a space for people to share their experiences and feelings can be incredibly healing and helps foster a sense of community and belonging. 7. The role of government and authorities. Government bodies and authorities are integral to effective disaster response and recovery. They are responsible for coordinating large-scale efforts, allocating resources, and ensuring public safety. Their involvement is crucial in providing the necessary support and infrastructure for recovery. However, their efforts are most successful when they work in conjunction with local communities and organizations. 8. Lessons learned in preparedness. Each disaster presents an opportunity to learn and improve future responses. Communities often come away from these experiences with valuable insights into their vulnerabilities and strengths. This knowledge is vital in enhancing disaster preparedness, ensuring that when the next crisis occurs, the community is better equipped to handle it. Preparedness measures can include creating emergency plans, conducting drills, and educating the public on how to respond during a disaster. 9. Global solidarity and support. In many cases, the response to a disaster extends beyond the local community, with support pouring in from across the globe. International aid organizations, foreign governments, and individuals from different countries often contribute resources and expertise. This global solidarity is a testament to the interconnectedness of the world and the shared responsibility to help those in need, regardless of borders. 10. The power of resilience. Ultimately, the resilience of a community is its greatest asset in the face of disaster. Despite the challenges and hardships, communities often emerge stronger and more united. The shared experience of overcoming adversity fosters bonds and a collective sense of purpose. This resilience is a powerful reminder of the strength of human spirit and the ability to rebuild and recover, no matter the odds.